Welcome back to Asian Reviews, and today we're going to be doing the review video for the 92 key mechanical keyboard with tactile response featuring the I'm not too sure mechanical key switches. Now this is a mechanical keyboard from GearHead, which you can find on their website for around $80, but in my opinion, I feel like that price is a bit overpriced. Now this is a pretty nice keyboard, and we're just going to be reviewing it for the time being, and yeah. So this is the unboxing, or the re-unboxing and review for this product. Anyways, this is a 92 key mechanical keyboard, and it says it has tactile response switches, 5 media hotkeys, mechanical switches, a long-lasting and durable build, braided USB 2.0 cable, laser etched keycaps, and just some more features on the back, which you can read if you want. So this is apparently a tactile response keyboard, but nowhere on the box or their website does it say what kind of key switches it is. So it comes with a box inside of a box. It's a pretty plain white box after you open up that other box that has all the labels and packaging, etc. Just pop open this box right here, and here is the keyboard. So we have our warranty card and technical support right there. And here we go. Here is the keyboard. Nothing else in the box. So here's the keyboard. Again, this is the GearHead mechanical keyboard. And yeah. So we have about 6.6 feet or 2 meters of braided USB 2.0 with a gold-plated USB 2.0 connector. Now I must say this, the braided cable was a very nice touch. Now onto the back of the keyboard, we have 4 rubberized feet along the 4 corners of the keyboard, as well as elevator feet, which I'd like to have seen some rubberized on the end of that. Now this keyboard actually has linear switches according to the back of the keyboard, so hopefully they can get that fixed on their website and box, or fix their keyboard, because it does not have linear switches, or it has linear switches, does not have tactile response switches as it would be for Kale Blues. Now I must say that might be some marketing fluff, but that is okay, because I have just proven to you that it has the Kale Red switches, as you can see in the top left corner of the keyboard. Now these are Kale Red switches, if you cannot tell, and the Kale Red switches are very, very similar to the Cherry MX Red switches. So these switches are great for gaming, as they have a really, really low actuation point, as well as force needed to press the key down. So it should be very easy to repetitively click buttons. Then here's going to be a quick sound test. And I must say that I am pretty satisfied with the red switches, but I wish that they would have said on their box that these are red switches. Now, this is a 92 key mechanical keyboard design, and our 5 media keys are at the top right hand corner of the keyboard, with is volume down, up, mute, home key, and the mail key. Now I say I do quite like the font of the mechanical key switches, or the font of the key switches itself, but there are some imperfections, such as this H, such as the mute button, etc. But it is pretty okay, as this is a pretty cheap mechanical keyboard. Now I must admit I am pretty underwhelmed with this keyboard, as you can get the Nixeus Moda V2 keyboard for lower, or about the same price, but has much higher quality. So here's our flex test, and there's not any flex coming from this keyboard, which is very, very, very nice. And yeah, this is a pretty standard keyboard for a pretty medium to high price point, and I wish they would have had either the linear switches replaced or their box and website fixed. So that's pretty much the review for the GearHead Gaming PC keyboard featuring the Kale Red switches. Now, if you are interested to purchase this keyboard, make sure to check at their website down below. If you would like to see the sound test video, the links and everything should be down below. And if you did enjoy this video, make sure to like this video. It shows me that you are enjoying the content and you want to see more. Now, GearHead didn't send me this keyboard for review, so make sure to check them out. Again, down in the description. Anyways, I'm your Nolan Asian from Asian Reviews, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace!